Shannon and welcome to today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and today we're going to be going over my FabFitFun for spring 2021. I just got this in the mail. It took a while. I am an annual subscriber, so I was actually able to choose my items beginning of February. I think it was February 2nd or 3rd, and I didn't get it until February 27th, so the last mail shipment day of February. So it took almost a full month from the time where I picked my items to when I got it. But let's go over what I chose, what my options were, and what I chose. So as always, in the FabFitFun box, there is this little magazine. It shows you all the choices. So I'm gonna read it through real quick and show you what my choices were, what I chose, and I believe it's 8 items. And as a annual subscriber, you can choose 5 of them. For seasonal subscribers, you can choose 3, and then the other 5 are chosen by FabFitFun. For annual subscribers, you choose 5, and then the other 3 are chosen by FabFitFun. So let's get into what my choices were for the first item. So for item number 1, my choices were Alice and Olivia Daisy Print Duffel Bag, $150. Pericone MD Essential FX Ácido Glutathione Rejuvenating Moisturizer, $98. Short Stories LED Indoor Planter, $60. Monroe Classique Watch in Sunburst Solar Rose, $105. Jenny Kane Water Hyacinth Tray with cutout handles, $45. Tech Candy UV Sanitizer, $60. Milk Makeup Watermelon Brightening Face Mask and Mini Watermelon Brightening Face Serum, $44. So Shoshana Umbrella, $40. Cowpack Set of 3 Packing Cubes in Sorbet. And I had to reach for it, the Pericone MD Rejuvenating Moisturizer. This one was a little harder for me. I was really leaning toward the duffel bag, but I just got so many bags, and I got bags, I think 2 boxes ago. And I love Pericone MD. Every time I've tried masks from them, anytime I've used their products, I love them. Jen loves, actually, she's a FabFitFun partner. I am not, but she is. And she chose this, and she's really a good expert on ingredients, and she chose this, which made me want to take it. So I chose it, and I haven't used it yet, but I do plan on using it soon, and yeah, I'm happy I got it. Okay, so here are my choices for choice number 2. We have Our Place Lunchbox, $35. Billion Dollar Brows 6-piece Pro Brush Essentials Kit, $62. Josie Morand 100% Pure Argan Oil, $49. Splendid Faux Fur Slippers in Crystal Pink, $48. Gayam Ultimate Core Toning Kit, $50. Steel Mill & Company To Do Planning Bundle, $45. And MAC Cosmetics Power Kiss Lipstick Duo, $42. And I chose the Billion Dollar Brush Set, or Billion Dollar Brows Brush Set. If you know me, anytime there's brushes, I usually choose them. I just recently got some Billion Dollar Brows. I don't remember which box it was. I think it was Ipsy. It was actually a brow kit. But I'm really impressed with their brushes, and I am trying to slowly upgrade my brushes. So here we go. The quality seems to be really great. I'm really happy with it. You've pretty much, and one of the things I love about it is that these have the names on them. So this is powder brush. This is eyebrow brush. It's very simple for me. I love Sigma brushes, but when it says like E26, I don't know what that means. So I like the fact that it tells me exactly what it is. So this was a no-brainer. I actually did get the GAM toning kit as well as an add-on. It was available as an add-on for $15. So it was worth $50. I had to pay $50, so I did get that, but this is what I chose for my actual box. So now we're getting to choice 3, and this is the last item that every person gets to choose. So seasonal and annual members get to choose 3, and it's the first 3, so this is the last one that seasonal members got to choose. So here are my choices. Verso Skincare Super Eye Serum, $65. Alice and Olivia reversible bucket hat, $85. Joy Trevecchi Chloe ring, $75. Bloomingville woven seagrass coasters, $35. Glass modern clean luxury hair mask, $55. And if you can see, I chose the ring. So I just really liked it. I haven't done my nails, so sorry. I really liked it. I thought it was different. I liked that it's adjustable. So if you see on the back, it has like a little opening, so you can pretty much switch which ring finger you want it on. Right now I'm using it on my index finger. I really liked it. I think Stephanie Marie chose this. I just thought it was pretty. I was kind of leaning toward it anyway, and there really wasn't anything that stuck out. Maybe I would have gotten the bucket hat if I had chosen the bag to have a match, but I don't really wear hats very often, so I'm really happy with this. I think it's really pretty. So the next two items are choices that only annual subscribers get to choose. Everyone gets an item from here, but only annual subscribers get to choose. So here were my choices. Sorbus Makeup Organizer, $30. Ahava Refreshing Facial Cleansing Gel, $24. Erno Laszlo Sea Mud Deep Cleansing Bar, $38. Lark and Ives Hair Scarf Bundle, $30. Grown Alchemist Body Cream, $26. And the Elemis Papaya Enzyme Peel, $45. And I chose the Elemis Peel. I actually don't have any peels. I've had a couple peels in the past. I've run out. I haven't restocked. Elemis is a fantastic brand. If you've ever been on a cruise, Elemis is what they use in the spas. It's a fantastic brand. I actually used it last night, and it was very gentle. It's not a very harsh peel. I was gonna take a picture, but it was pretty much clear. Had a little tingle for about 60 seconds, but after that, I just forgot I had it on. So it came off pretty easily. I don't think it really peeled my face, but it felt really refreshing. I liked it. I will probably use this once a week. So it's a great brand, great product, and was pretty much my no-brainer. Okay, so now for my fifth choice, which is the last choice for annual subscribers, here were my choices. The Pure Cosmetics Iconic Glow Illuminating Face and Body Dry Oil, $28. Camp Collection Dip Dye Market Tote, $25. Cocoa Floss Tropical Trio, $28. Summer and Rose Tweezer with Pouch, $20. And the H. Halston Aloe Infused Gel Line Socks and Pumice Stone, $40. I chose the socks. I know Jen was like grossed out by this, but I love just anything for my feet. I haven't used this yet. I was gonna use them last night and I just completely forgot. They do feel kind of creepy. They do feel kind of creepy inside, but I'm really anxious to try these. And what I like is that on the bottom, they have like little stoppers. So you're not gonna be slipping and sliding everywhere on your floor, especially that we have laminate. And then here's the pumice stone. I don't have one. This is pretty much still wrapped. So yeah, I think, and what it says, it did say here that it's good for 40 uses. So it's good for up to 40 uses. I think I'll get some good use out of it, and anything that, makes my feet feel nice, I'm all for. And it's pink. So now we're getting into FabFitFun's picks. So everybody gets an item from each of these three categories, but you don't have a choice. You do have a survey that you take. Last month they nailed it. This month, or this quarter, not so much, but let me get into it. So here are my choices for number 6. The Each Jewels Flower Hair Clip 2-pack, $30. Human and Kind Hand Scrub, $15. And the Earth Harbor Marina Biome Brightening Ampule, $38. And I got the hair clips. They're cute. I'm just not gonna wear them. I tried to put it in my hair today. I just don't know how to wear these. They're cute. I mean, they're really good quality. So if someone likes hair clips, I think they'd be great. Maybe if maybe my hairstylist will show me how to use them or where I could style them in my hair. I'm not good with my hair anyway, so it's either, you know, I can curl it with my air wrap or it's straight. That's pretty much the two looks that I go for, or pull back. But I mean, if they're really cute, I'm not really, you know, I'll probably end up regifting them. But as far as what I would have wanted the brightening ampule. I actually have one of their products. I think I got it in a Cause box. I'm not sure. I think I got it in a Cause box from Earth Arbor that I'm actually using right now. It's like an oil. It's fantastic. I put it on my face before I put a moisturizer in the morning if I'm not wearing makeup. It just is very, very soothing on my face. So that one is like a detox. So this one is a little different. I would have loved that. I'm not unhappy with it. You know, anything is bonus, but it's just not me. Okay, so number 7, here are my choices. The SF Glow Suns Out, Pouts Out Lip Mask, $16. Pink Sky Cactus Sipper Cup, $20. Or the Cali Cosmetics Body Wash, worth $22. So here's the good thing. I didn't get the Cactus Cup. I probably would have been very disappointed with the Cactus Cup. I did want the body wash. I didn't get the body wash, but I got the Suns Out, Pouts Out. It's a lip mask. So I'm happy I didn't get the Cactus Cup. I would have preferred the body wash, but I'm not disappointed with this because I really would have been disappointed with the Cactus Cup. Because what am I going to do with it? You know, it's just something that would have gone to Goodwill or gone in the trash. This though, I just used. It comes with 4, and I just used one a little while ago, and here's a picture of it. I used it while I was doing my makeup, and I left it on my lips, and I will say it's really soothing. My lips aren't chapped, but they're a little dry, so it definitely helped with putting my lipstick on and my lip liner. So I think these are great, especially if you're in a cold climate and you get chapped lips. I will probably save these. It's kind of getting, I live in South Florida, so it's just warm. Probably not gonna get chapped lips anytime soon, but I will save these if I do get chapped lips because they're definitely a good product. Okay, so here are my choices for my 8th and final item. They are the Reusable Beauty Rounds from Psy 3-pack, $15. And the Nails Inc. nail polish in Mayfair Lane, $15. Really wanted the nail polish. I got the rounds. Not bad. I just got rounds in a Cause box, and I used, so there's 2 because I used the other one last night. It's still in my bathroom. I used it when I took off the mask. It's nice. So I'm not used to, I use one of those makeup erasers as kind of like a washcloth. I really don't even use it as a makeup eraser. I just use it as a washcloth. But I'm gonna keep trying. It's really nice. They're really soft. You know, I guess it's good for the environment. I have gotten into not using the disposable cotton rounds. So I will continue this maybe instead of a washcloth. It's definitely softer, probably better for my face. I just need to get in the habit of it. So I would have preferred the nail polish because the color was beautiful and just completely up my alley, but these are really nice, and I think I just need to get in the habit of using them. So all in all, my box was worth retail value over $380. I think it was $381 based on the value. So let's go over the items to see. Now I paid as a annual subscriber, I pay $49.99, that's the price, and I pay for a year. So let's look at the prices of what each thing and what I would have gotten and see if I got my money's worth. So first off, the Pericone MD, $98. I wouldn't pay $98 for a moisturizer, but I would probably pay at least $40 for a good moisturizer, especially being older. A good moisturizer is key, and it's a good brand. So 40, I would say 40, I probably might even spend a little bit more, but 40 is a good number. So right there, I'm almost at the price of the box. So my second item was the $1 Billion Brows brush set. That was worth $62. Yeah, absolutely. I would pay $62 for that brush set. Very, very good quality, very happy. So right there, that alone, the brush set is worth the value of the box. Number 3 was the ring. I wouldn't pay, it says $75. I wouldn't pay $75 for this just because I'm not a jewelry type person. I think it's nice. I want to get in the habit of wearing more jewelry. Trying to up my game a little bit, but I like it and I probably would pay something for it, but I'm not $75. And number 4, let's see what 4 was. 4 was the peel, the Elemis papaya peel. I mean, it says it's worth $45. I don't know if I'd pay $45 for it, but good 30. So yeah, absolutely. Next is the gel line socks. $40, probably wouldn't pay $40 for them, but I guess that's 40 uses. You figure it's about $1 per use. Actually, that's not too bad, but I would probably personally spend about $20 on it. Next up is the hair clip. Yeah, I wouldn't pay because it's just not me. The lip mask, that's $16 for 4. I think that's about right, especially during the winter time. Yeah, that's something I would pay. And if it were winter time and it was colder where we are and my lips were chapped, that would be something I would purchase. And then the last thing is the beauty rounds. They're worth $15. I wouldn't buy them just because it's not something I use, but maybe if I get in the habit of them, maybe I will. So, but all in all, for the $50 that I spend on the box, I definitely got my value worth out of it. I'm not unhappy with anything. Everything is something that I'll use except for the hair clips, but the hair clips will probably be a gift for a friend's daughter whose birthday's coming up. So then, hey, I'm still working out. But all in all, I think it's great. So that is my FabFitFun for spring 2021. I will post a link below so that you can join and save, I think, whatever coupon I have. I can find whatever coupon I have, either $10 or $15 off your first box. As always, if you're going to join FabFitFun, I definitely think it's worth getting the annual subscription. You get to choose 2 extra products. You get choices faster, you get add-ons, you get to do the add-ons faster. I think it's totally worth it to do the annual subscription if you're going to join. If you're interested in trying a trial box, FabFitFun gives 10 trial boxes to every member each quarter. So I have 10 to give. The only thing is you just have to pay for shipping. Just send me a link, put a comment below with how I can get in touch with you, an email, and I will give the email to FabFitFun and they will send you a invitation to get a free trial box. I think the shipping is like $5.99. It's all through them. But I get 10. So a couple people have contacted me in the past and I don't get anything from it, but I have them to give out. So if you want them, contact me. So with that, if you like this video, click like, click and subscribe. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Bye everyone.